This video demonstrates how to replace the inner hand shell on the Michelangelo hand, size medium. Please note that the procedure differs for the small size. For a complete list of required tools and materials, please refer to the video description. First, ensure the hand is in the default neutral position, with approximately 20 millimeters between the thumb and index finger. Then mount the Michelangelo hand on the mounting tool. Slightly lift the inner hand at the fingers using tweezers. Apply cyanoacrylate adhesive remover to the bonded areas and carefully loosen the inner hand from the fingers. Loosen the inner hand on the wrist and spray the fingers with donning spray. Then remove the shell. Clean off any adhesive residue. Now, apply donning spray to the inside of the new inner hand and to the fingers. Align the fingers while pulling the inner hand into position. Ensure that the thickened sections at the fingertips engage fully into the recesses of the hand. For the medium-sized Michelangelo hand, secure the fingers with adhesive to prevent slipping. Use an ethyl-based cyanoacrylate adhesive that works well with rubber and plastics. Slightly pull back each finger of the inner hand and apply a small amount of adhesive to the dorsal and palmar sides of each finger. Use minimal adhesive. Excess adhesive can make later removal difficult. Push the fingers forward and press them onto the hand. To remove any excess adhesive, use the cyanoacrylate adhesive remover again